I would request if any sister would like to share her experience, why she accepted Islam, one or two, all of them if you want, one of them, two of them. We'd like to know what impressed you about a background. Maybe you will be an inspiration for others also to take Shahada. And all of them if you want, one of them, two of them. You can share your experience, sister. MashaAllah, Jazakallah, sister. Takbir. Yes, sister.
Yeah, I was born Roman Catholic from Philippines, and usually my colleagues from my work currently, they're asking me why you are converting to Islam. Because usually they think that I want to get married because I want to convert Islam. At age of 12, the day morning, someone asked me about the same. So I'm sharing this also to everyone. I've been reading the Bible for when I was 12 years old, and it's just, Jesus is our God. They said that is God. But as I grow older, I know that there is one God, and which is Allah. And now I am accepting Islam, and here I am.
Sister, do you believe that there is only one God?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes.
You believe he is not God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Are you accepting Islam out of your own free will?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Is anyone bribing you?
No.
Good, mashallah. Because in Islam, we cannot force anyone to accept Islam. If someone forces it, is wrong. So, inshallah, what you said, what I asked you in English, I'll say in Arabic, you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
there is no God
but Allah, and I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah. Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, MashaAllah, sisters, we welcome you to the fold of Islam, and we welcome you to the family of 2 billion Muslims. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you have made them more happy than my talk. See, MashaAllah. So many clap, MashaAllah. Imagine you have made more than 5,000 people here happy. Imagine what thawab you'll get, all you sisters. You'll get the Prophet, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you multiple times more thawab than me, inshallah. The happiness that you have caused to the people here and all those who are watching, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He help you guide your family members and your friend circle to Islam.